everyone. Today I'll be showing you a simple step-by-step procedure on how we draw a polygon inscribed in a circle, specifically a dodecagon or a 12-sided polygon. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump into it. So first, let's grab our compass and set to a certain radius, and let's draw a circle like this. And then we'll be labeling this center at point O. And now we have our circumference. And now we will be having to draw two diameters which are perpendicular with each other, which is a horizontal one and a vertical one. Let's make sure that they are perpendicular using our protractor. So these diameters intersects our circumference in 4 points. So the vertical diameter will be labeling its extremities as points A and point G. And for our horizontal one, we'll be labeling the extremities at point B and point J. And then let's grab again our compass and set the radius equal to the radius of our circumference as you see here. And let's have the extremities of our diameters as center of our arcs. Now let's draw arcs which will intersect our circumference in 2 points. And this first arc will be labeling the intersection as C and K. Then let's do another arc having our center at point D, which will intersect again our circumference in 2 points. So now we'll be labeling this at point B and then at point F. And let's do another arc having our center at point G. And it will intersect again our circumference into 2 points. And we'll be labeling this as point E and then point I. Then finally, we'll be having our arc at point J, which will intersect our circumference in 2 points again. And these final points would be labeled as point L. And then the other one is point H. And to draw our polygon, we'll need to connect our points, which will be starting from point A to B, and then from B to C, C to D, E to E, E to F, F to G, G to H, H to I, I to J, J to K, from K to L, and then to close our polygon, we'll be having L to A. So now we have drawn our regular dodecagon inscribed in a circle. Double check, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 sides. So that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how we draw a polygon inscribed in a circle. Just make sure to divide the circumference into the decided number of sides for the polygon.